Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. What's up, Hunter? My hair's probably a mess. I didn't really fix it before I got on the stream. Hold on. Something in my eye. Sorry. I didn't sleep super well. Or super long, so but I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I'm probably gonna only be streaming for like an hour. Because there's another project that I gotta be working on today, and just still some stuff. There's so much, like when it comes to game dev, there's so much to like think about, even from like for one person to do all that is really tough. So I just need to kind of make sure I'm on point and organized and all that stuff. So we're just gonna be coding for about an hour. It's not gonna be super, like I might not get to a final like product or anything, but I do. So I just want to look at this interact and make sure everything's working well, and then go into the static saucer and make sure the references are the way that I want them to be, so that I can start implementing stuff for them. I think I might not be able to get multiple different static saucers, so I might just stick with the 93 comics, like the original comics version of the character, and just kind of build off there. I know I do have the saucer from the TV show, and it's pretty much the exact same as the one from the comics. Just stylistically it looks a little different, but so let me just get right into it. Okay. I need to look at the static code for this. Okay. So let's bring up the interact and the event graph. So this is working properly. This is working properly. Okay, so on cancel will get a pass reference to overlapping interactable if present. Store interactable ref if is interactable is true, and then on cancel override clear interactable reference if valid, and event sent from interactable. Okay, so yeah, all the code for interacting is all through. Okay, so mount, I have this set to mount right now, which is I need to pull up my inputs for this. Okay, so mounts and interact. So interact is E and mount is F. So I would set to mount. I want F to be, well, this is fine for now. As long as I know what it is, I think it's fine. So we need to figure out in here. So I need to pull up the parent class for the interact vectors, interactables parents. Actually, I'm gonna move this out of this folder and just have this in the interactables. Update. Okay, it's a little different. I think it's a little better. Also updating 5.4 with the updating references. So we haven't overwritten any code, and so I'll keep this tab here, and then a static to be the first one, and then this here. Okay, so in here we haven't added. Okay, so no, not in here, but in the static saucer we haven't added any code just yet. Doing the action, so event interact is what we send to interactable, is interactable to false, bring to done. So I'm gonna change the name of this player gameplay X. I'm changing to that just so that it's clear, because I noticed that abbreviating it, sometimes it's hard to go back in and think about like code and everything like that. Okay, and then all we're worried about, so I'm just gonna move, because all this is for animation stuff of the actual interactor. We're not really worried about that right now. So we are just going to worry about this part. So mount condition, if the player is interacting. If they're not interacting, then add the interaction game tag and then interact. So let's put a breakpoint here and hit play. And it pops up on the screen. So I'll do this dual screen. Actually, what I will do, hold on, let me do this. There we go. And then I'll just have this screen over here. Well, this would be just for like testing on this side. And we can do that. How you doing today, Hunter, if you're still here? Oh, I might have screwed up. Hold on. I don't let that go too far, so we'll just leave it right there. Whoa. Oh. There you go. Okay. Yeah, so that's working fine. I'm gonna stop it and then everything in here should be running the same unless I need to do the parent function thing. Okay, let me do that and then it should fix it. So functions, no wait, sorry. Override. Hold on, I'm gonna look at I need to pull up one of my old projects or my other project, the projects where this interact code is from. I should make sure I'm doing this right. Jumping back and forth between doing coding and art is hard, but it's doable. It just takes a second to get reacclimated with things. Whoops, sorry. That's the main window. So let's just open this one because I don't need to edit anything. I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm good. Not stressed. I'm not stressed right now, but I'm a little overwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie. But that's a good, I feel like that's a good thing. I feel like if I was just like normal all the time, I don't know if I would really I don't know if I would really have the same agency over my craft if I wasn't like overwhelmed and had stuff to do, all that stuff. Okay, so characters, oh wait, actors, interactables. We're just gonna go with this one. Yeah, so this should be working fine. Unless the okay, let's see. So scene root, interactable mesh. I'm gonna move both of these so that they're above the player, and then box collision. Just gonna move that upwards. Interaction location. That's just a static mesh. And then the arrow. Okay. Compile. And then so and the other project that I don't have any code in here. That's normal, and that's normal. So this should be working fine. Oh, nah, don't pop. Sorry, this one. Oh, you guys can't see that. Sorry. Full screen. Okay. So when I go here, press F, and then that's done. And then like if I walk over it again, it doesn't do anything because it's not interacting. But this one, press F to interact. Why is that one not working? Okay, so let me go to static. This might not be working. Let me make sure this is set up properly. Clear reference, reset, interactor. So let's just add a breakpoint here. And then I know this part is working. So let's go ahead and hit play. Wait, so when I interact with this one, this is, hold on. Yeah, BP interactable. Add to interact. Boom, boom, boom. And then where's interact? Oh, event interact. Do I need to I shouldn't need to. Oops. Is that from here? Hold on. Default. That's why. Wait, no. That's not why. Wait, how's it getting that signal then? That's a custom event. What? Okay, I'm actually confused. Let me just, okay, let me go back into here and then I go to my parent and, oh wait, ah. You know what, I'm just gonna, just to keep everything, so I'm just put everything on this screen. Leave that for the other screen so I don't do that again. Okay. All right. So interactable. Yeah, I think that might fix it. I think that's what the problem was. Is that was just a custom event. Remove. So here and then here, right? Because in here we are sending a message to, yep. So now when I go here and I press F, yeah, there we go. Okay. Same thing for this one. See, now this one doesn't work. Okay, let's look at that. Wait a minute. That is strange. Very strange, actually. Because that one works just fine. But this one... Oh, I might not be resetting the... Okay, so what we're gonna do is... Where's event tech at? I don't know where I put that. Or... They're right there? Jesus. Okay. Yeah, all this code we're gonna have to look at and kind of fix a little bit. So let's drag this out. Oops. Drag this out and then bring this all over here. And then let's do a check. Well, actually, it's just sending it to self. Let's see. Let's keep this breakpoint there, and then So that's working. And that's working. So this is working and this is working. But if I interact with this one first, and then I interact with, oh, they're both working. Okay, it's working now. I don't know what I changed, but oops. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I changed, but for some reason that wasn't working. Now it is. Anyways. Okay. If I go here, press F, go here. See? Wait, what? I'm so confused. Done. Now that's not. What? Okay. Something might be happening too fast. So when we do this, let me watch the references. That is very strange. Hold on. Right. And then go here. Okay, I'm not tripping, right? That was literally just working. I changed nothing. This is so weird. Okay, so can confirm. See, that works. And then this works too. But if I go to this one first and then this one, now we're, wait, what? I'm actually, wait, hold on. I'm so confused. If I go here, press F, and if I go here, press F, it doesn't work. Hold on, let me pull what's over here, static. And then go there. Look at that. It is the gameplay tag thing. I was right. Why is that happening though? So we don't really need to look at that. We just need to make sure this works properly first. So what's happening is it's not always getting this signal, maybe? So event reset interact. Which is you get here. Player references. So where's that at? And then event tick. Pairing references happens here. So if interactor is valid, interact prompt. So we send this, yeah. This is weird the way it's interacting because it's going here, here. Whoa, that's weird. What's... Hello? Okay, that was weird. Couldn't like move it around. So yeah, it is weird. I'm actually confused because it works sometimes but not every time. So maybe I need to delay something so that works. And then yeah, for some reason this, so the gameplay tag, let me look at static over here. this. So static, and then go to test map. Okay, so when I go over here, press F, that all works great. And here when I press F, wait. These are all the same container too. Add and remove tag. Input tag player is. There's only one that there could be. Oh. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. I know what the I think I know what the problem is. I'm just slow. Oh wait, no, it's not set to default. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that's not the problem. First player interact. So it's not doing this at some point. So what is it? Shift F1? Yeah. So right now hashtag player is interacting. Why is that? It's simply this condition right here. Okay. So we're just gonna always print this. This needs to go before. The testing, man, the testing. So based on so we're gonna get a branch and then as tag. Second match. All right. So if this is true, then print interacting. What's wrong with you? Oh, whoops. There you go. Okay. So that's fidgety sometimes. That might just be because of the size of the box. Hold on. Where's the oh. This is what comes with the territory. I guess. So R. I'm gonna scan this way. like that. See, sometimes that happens. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, static. One sec. This needs to go after. I lied. Needs to go. I'm not gonna move him around right now. This needs to go this way, and take this. Take this and go that way. Print string. Wait. I will move this. I just confused myself. Here and then here. Okay. So through here. Oh, that's what it was. Here. Not bad. To do this, then do this. And then get rid of that. And then do this over here, whatever this code is. I don't want to mess anything up. Okay. So there we go. And if I F, done. Yeah. So I'm still interacting. It doesn't make any sense though. It says I'm still interacting, but over here it does this. Like it sends player gameplay tags, remove tag, players interacting. Is it adding it again too quickly? It might be adding it again too quickly. So let's add a breakpoint here and hit play. So it goes through it once, which is good. Okay, so that time it worked how it should. And that time it didn't. But it's still... Okay, so sometimes it's it's leaving this tag in place and I don't know why. Sometimes, it's not every time, it's finicky, and I don't know why it's finicky. If I do it here, I'm still interacting, but it's done. That's why I can't interact here. Oh, you guys can't see print screen from if that is over there. Which foot is down here? I'll put that down there. Okay. So static. This remove. I want to know why this only works sometimes and not every time. Because if I go here, boom. And then I press F. I'm still interacting though. Okay. I will be right back. You gotta go use the bathroom. Hold on, let me make sure that's off. So I'll be right back, guys. I heard great things about Dark Horse Blackhammer. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna search for. Oh, I think I might know what it be, or might know what it be. I know what it is. Nope, that's definitely not it. The event force player interact. That isn't even in the original code for the interactable. It can be if you need to force the player to interact, but Okay, what I'm gonna do is, I wish I could, so if I add a breakpoint, it doesn't catch it right away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a delay here. One second delay, just so I can see when it's firing. But if I add a breakpoint, I think it fixes it because it pauses it. So it fires once, right? And then once again. So if this delay fixes it, then that's just a... No, okay, wait, it happened again, hold on. Doesn't happen every time, it happens. Ah, I know what it is. I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. It's because I'm moving around. So one sec. I'm gonna... Oh, you guys can... Yeah. I'm going back to Main Street. Wait, I heard great things about Dark Horse Comics. Sorry. Horses Comics Black Hammer. I haven't read a lot of Dark Horse stuff. Dark Horse did the Call of Duty Zombies comic books, which were really cool. Characters. I'm looking something up real quick. Well, not looking it up. I'm looking it up at the at this other project, or on this other project. Hold on. There's a... Oh, I know. Yeah, I never had to do this. Because I always had animations ready. Okay, so yeah. That's why it wasn't working. Because like my old interacts, they all had, or the interacts in the other project, they all had animations and these don't. So when they don't have animations, the player can still move around while they're interacting. So all I need to do is go to here. All I need to do is add, instead of printing, we'll still print that, and then while it's true, go to character movement component and then stop. So this should stop me from moving around. So Well, because it's instant, doesn't really matter. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, what we're gonna do is add a delay here, just so I can test this. Make it 2 seconds. Oh, hold on. Really laggy. Just go to that. And it's this one. Stop movement immediately. And then what it'll do here is while I'm interacting, it won't let me move outside of it. Okay. And get rid of that delay. Okay, I think I fixed it. Okay, so now we need to look at what needs to happen in here. Let's put interactable over here, and then interact, reset, interact. Okay, so yeah, that just overrides this interact. So what we want to happen when we interact with this is we want to attach the player to it. So we can do that all. Yeah, I think having that be all in the saucer is nice instead of having that be in the player's blueprint, because then we don't have to reference. Okay, so let me go down to flying. Okay, so whoa. Yeah, this is all super janky. Okay, so oh, excuse me. Oh. Spawn SS. Let me bring this up here. So this is where we spawn it. Where do we attach it? character. Deploy mechanic, and then mount is up here. It's valid, invalid. Mount right here. Okay, so there's a mount socket on this skeleton. So characters, old, static. Where's this? Where's that at? Basic enemy. Oh, test mail. There it is. So hand connection. Oh no, so okay, not oh no, but we attach the static mesh of the, what you call it, has a okay. So instead of having that, we're just gonna look at, instead of having the player mount it right now, because there's gonna be some stuff I want to do with the skeleton mesh in Blender, so like the skeleton and the armature in Blender, so that it makes it easier to animate. So I just have to attach it to certain bones, and I know how to make or give the metahuman skeleton custom bones so that you can have add-ons to characters, or you can have attachments or like bones that are specifically for their equipment. Like the static saucer, I can have it set at one point and I don't have to mess around with like socket transform or anything like that. I can just place a socket at that bone and then it'll follow along with the animations. So that way I don't have to, that way I don't have to do, it'll just follow along. Yeah, okay. Let's see. So right now we're just gonna worry about static storing, because he's gonna have a saucer that he can like pull out and like deploy whenever he wants. So let's worry about that. So where'd the static EP go? Red dragons. Close that. Don't save. Close. I'm just cleaning up my windows right here. Okay. Characters, old. Okay. So I'm gonna look at what I have for this. Okay, so we'll make a new section for these, call it references. And then put interactable ref in there too. And then, okay. So right now we have, let me expand this. Static mesh component. So we can change all these to instead of like the actual components themselves, we can change them to the actor and just have an actor reference. And I did that here. I don't know why I didn't do that here as well. Oh, it was because I needed to attach, but that's all fine. The way I wanted to attach. Yeah, I did this really badly back when I did it. Way back when. I'm glad I'm revisiting it and fixing it all. So interactable ref. So we're gonna add a new I'm gonna go ahead and add a new variable and call it ss underscore slot underscore ref. And then we're gonna make it an actor reference. And then whatever the, when you go to construction script, so whatever the suit is that we have it on, like whatever, depending on, it would be dependent on the mesh. So we need to set this here, so the default here, so it's default, it's empty by default. Hold on, let me compile. So right now it's empty by default, but what we need to do is store a reference to the static sauce. Sure, it needs to be okay. So for right now, what we're gonna do is, wait, what? Just on construction script, we're gonna set this to wait. Okay, so set this to oh, so in theory we would have on the construction script, we would have a saucer already attached to, or like when we initialize this character, whatever dependent on the mesh. So what this was, and then we can have a database connected to that. For right now, this just needs to be okay. So in actual static and connection springer grab object, so we need to have we get a child of the capsule. We need to have a skeletal mesh that is needs to be an okay, let me pull up let me pull up this real quick. And see how I ever set it up, or how I have it set up in this project. Move interactable over here. We don't need this anymore. We're streaming about an hour so far. I know I said I was gonna stream for an hour. I'll probably stream for hour. I'll do an hour 30 and then call it. Whoa, whoa, you I don't know if I'm ready for you guys to see this or not. I don't know. Hunter, are you still here? You still watching or no? I was well, you can clearly see it now, but I was testing out the coat a little bit. I was testing out the hood. and the this front bit right here. So here, let me turn this around. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, I forgot this was in here. I didn't want to show this yet because I wanted to save it and like show it when it was like done, because it looks so good. It looks really good right now. It looks better than this. I did a little bit more work, but I'm working on the brim of the hood right now. But yeah, if I hit play, then yeah, that's what it looks like so far. And like the front part of the little vest parts, they're like supposed to move around and flap around and stuff like that. So but yeah, you're gonna be able to put the hood on, take the hood off, different stuff like that. But yeah. Yeah, I have a really cool idea of how I want to set that up, but I came in here to look at how I was gonna set up this, or does this not have, okay, let me at least go here. I know that's still, yeah, the static saucer is still there. So there is a character mesh. Wait, construction script. That's all metahuman stuff, Might be in begin play. Yeah, it's begin play. Okay. That's mapping context, LOD. Yeah, it's right here. So we would have the mesh be a part of the blueprint. Wait. Spawn actor from just begin play right here. So this is actually good. I can start condensing these projects down. So SS parent. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it looks funny. Oh, the coat? Yeah, I'll just show that real quick. I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream actually, because right now, looking at that again, I need to do some planning on how I want to set up the it's gonna take a while. I need to do some planning on how I'm going to set up the static saucer and how it's going to work. Either it's going to be a mesh that's already attached to, or a skeletal mesh that's part of the blueprint, or like an actor that I spawn in, and that'll be like the parent, or like an actor that I spawn in and then attach it to that actor to static, and then I'm able to do custom skeletons. So instead of having the mesh, sorry, let me think. The mesh for the static saucer will have its own animations, and so will static, but instead of having it instead of having it be a blueprint, sort of thing, which it is right now. If I go in here and if I go to static saucer, it's a Smiler. It has an animation blueprint. It puts it in different states. Hold on, where's that anim graph? There it is. Anim graph main. So yeah, this is idle, and then I play around with these. And it changes to that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Actually, and then just changing states about it, like that's actually not a bad way it works. I don't know, I gotta play around with it basically, because it goes from here to activate, deactivate. Oh, let me go to the event graph. Oh, okay. Equipped should be visible. Excuse me. I'll have to look at a lot of this stuff and like kind of decide how I want to go about what the best pipeline is for having it all work together. But yeah, but that is what the code looks like. Not exactly what the code looks like right now. It looks a little better in Blender right now, but it does look, I do agree, it does look really funny. If I turn it this way, then the wind is blowing the little vest flap, like flapping around, and then the hood. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call the stream right there. Didn't do a lot of progress, but started a lot of thinking processes that I need to do in terms of how I want to animate these saucers and how I want to store them and all that stuff. I think I just need to sit down and make a plan and then just execute it. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff to do today. I don't go to work today, but thankfully I don't gotta go make pizzas. But maybe you guys enjoyed the stream a little bit, maybe, or at least enjoyed chatting. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.